Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the service did not respond to the starter control request in a timely fashion. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your start menu and type a registry edit RE. Now open a registry editor, click on yes. After opening that, you can click on first of all click and expand the H key local machine, and after doing this that click and expand the system. After doing this that you can select and expand the current control set, and after doing this that select control. After doing this that right click on a new and click on a D word 32-bit. Now after doing this that type a name is services, capital PIPE and capital T is a timeout. Okay guys, after doing this set open it. Now select a decimal, and after doing this set set a value 6000. After doing this set click on a OK button, and once again clear and close the registry editor. And after doing this stat restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this stat your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.